What's up guys? Today we are back with another video. We're going to be doing a talk through hair tutorial featuring a company by the name of NaBeauty. You guys have seen me work with this company quite a few times. Open up the packaging and they did include a free gift. They gave me some of the ever so popular hairpins, and these are blinged out. One says boss and one says sexy. They also included elastic and the wig caps. So these are the wig caps here. I'm super excited to have brown. If you follow me and you've been watching my videos, you guys know I haven't had brown wig caps in a while because I've been trying to use the ones that I have, but I have ordered some. But of course, since we are on this pandemic situation, Amazon is taking forever to deliver them. They also included the elastic band. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the wig. We are working with some color today, which is extremely exciting. As you guys can see, she's a nice wavy texture with some highlights. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash her, put my wig cap on, and then I'll be back with the wig on. Here I'm taking one pump of my favorite foundation. This matches my complexion perfectly, and I'm going to tint the lace by buffing this into the inside hairline of the wig, and this is going to make the wig match my complexion perfect. Be sure to blow dry it. You never want to apply a lace while it's still wet to the hairline. If you're going to tweeze out your hairline, be sure to use a sharp pair of tweezers. I have the pair I'm using linked in the description box, and also it's a better idea to do it on a mannequin head. I'm lazy and I like to get it done very quick, so I just go ahead and do it on my head very quickly. This wig was pre-plucked, but I definitely think I made a huge difference just by opening up the part a little bit from ear to ear. Super important to clean up your hairline. I find that whenever you apply a non-glue adhesive such as the one I'm using, if you go ahead and wipe it clean while it's still wet, it cleans away without any issue. If you wait till it's tacky or dry, just use alcohol and it'll clean it up perfectly. Also, when bonding your wig down, be sure to use a blow dryer. This is going to give you the best hold and the nicest result. Of course, as always, baby hair is an option. You guys know I love baby hair, so I went ahead and did it. I kind of did it a little bit more thin to help it to be just a little bit more subtle this time. But if you do not prefer baby hair, just go ahead and brush everything back in the direction that you want it to go. You can go ahead and add your wax stick to kind of help it to look kind of smooth in the front. But be sure to put some type of product to make it lay flat in the front. And also you can use your electric hot comb to make it look like it's coming out of your scalp. Okay, so it's been a minute since I've talked to you guys. I've just been working, but I just wanted to really quickly come and show you guys the baby hair that I chose. I feel like it looks less wiggy and dramatic when you don't do a center swoop. So I did pretty much the baby hair I've been doing lately. Did it a little bit thinner and just didn't do that center swoop, so it looks a little bit more subtle. Lately I've been loving the sideburns. I can't live without these. And so I kind of just did these. Normally I would just do like two. I want the sideburns, so I kind of just like put those together on my neck. Yeah, now I did a center part, and now in the next few steps you're gonna see me go ahead and make this look like it's coming out of my scalp. This looks pretty wiggy like this, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my electric hot comb to go ahead and flatten it out. A few little products. I'm going to use wax, the hot comb, maybe a little bit of hairspray, and then we'll be done. And then from there I'm going to go ahead and set the curls off off with a moisturizing conditioner. Typically, I would either use a mousse or a conditioner for my leave-in conditioner for the actual texture of hair. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to use, but I'll kind of point to whichever one I choose. And then I'll be back with my final thoughts on this video. I'm also going to beat my face off camera. So this is the final result. It came out super cute. As you guys can see, the highlights look great with my complexion and I'm super pleased. Make sure you check out this company. I have all the details and links in the description box, including a list of everything I used. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!